Quick market update, and this one is actually exciting if you're a homeowner who is thinking of moving. Right now, interest rates are sitting around 6%, and I'm seeing more buyers qualifying for just under 6%. And here's what's interesting. This past weekend, we saw a noticeable uptick in open house visitors. More buyers are back out touring homes, asking questions, and getting serious. Even better, several homes that hit the market last week are already receiving multiple offers. Not like the wild days when you had 10, 15, 20 offers, but more of a healthy 2 to 4 offers per home. That's a sign of a strong and active market. So if you're a homeowner who's been thinking, maybe this spring, maybe this summer, maybe someday, this might be your moment. The market is moving, buyers are motivated, and right pricing strategy can make a difference. If you're even slightly considering moving, let's talk. Call, text, or email me. I'm happy to walk you through what your home could sell for and what your options will look like. No pressure, good information, and maybe great timing.